Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys one of my first unboxings. I feel like I've only done some hauls before this, so I'm pretty excited to show you guys a little bit of my unboxing. I'm only going to be doing one unboxing because it's the only thing that I was able to kind of hold off on from unboxing everything else. I feel like whenever I get a package, I'm just like, unbox, unbox, unbox. I just wanted to see everything and I want to get my hands on everything and play with everything, but there was only one box I was really able to like hold off on. So that is what we are going to unbox today, so let's do it. Okay, so I got this box from Hush. You can't even see it, from Hush, and they are really just a makeup company. They're pretty much an affordable makeup company. They kind of reached out to me and asked if I wanted to collab with them and do a unboxing video, and of course I said yes. I have only seen what is in here on the computer through like a receipt what they were sending me, so let's go ahead and open this. This has been sitting on my desk for like 4 days, so I'm so interested to see what's in here. It just came in a bunch of bubble wrap, which is my favorite thing ever. I love bubble wrap, but I feel like whenever I'm doing it, Charlie gets so upset and he wants some too, but he's a dog and he can't have any, so let's pull this out. Each individual palette is in their own like bubble casings, so let's take some time and go through that. Guys, I'm gonna have so much bubble wrap to play with, it's ridiculous. This is the first palette that I'm looking at. It's called Inferno, and this is their boxing. The boxing is super pretty. It's a 12 color eyeshadow palette, so let's see what is in here. So this is so the palette just looks like the box does, and that is what that looks like. Okay, so these are beautiful. So it looks like these are all my warmer shades. I'm so excited to try all of these. Wow, okay, so you guys already know that for the past like couple of weeks, really since Valentine's Day, I've been like dabbling in the really like warmer tones, so I'm really excited to do all of these. Look at that. I think that like it's gonna be this color, like this blaze shade, and this like glow color over here. Those are probably gonna be my favorites. So I'm really excited to try those out. That is beautiful. It looks like we have the Aphrodite Palette by Bad Habit as well. This is an 18 color eyeshadow palette. So this is the box that it's in. I really am liking these Bad Habit palettes. I don't know if they're all from Bad Habit or what, but I like them. This is what the casing looks like, and let's open that. Okay, so this is beautiful. This kind of actually looks like a little bit of the Huda Beauty palette, and I don't know, it's like the first one that she brought out. I think that it kind of looks like that, but either way it's super pretty. It's got a lot of my matte shades, and then it's got your shimmery shades, which are really, really, really pretty. I think I want to go through these and swatch these for you. So we're going to go in and swatch Sparks, which that's beautiful. That was literally just one swipe. So that is crazy pigmented. Look at that. That was one swipe. Can you guys see that? That is crazy. Let's go in with Love, which is this one here. Okay. So these are going to be beautiful to use. That was just one swipe. Let's go in with this color Lust. Let's go with a little bit of that and see if those are as pigmented. So it looks like the mattes are just as pigmented. That is crazy to me. Look at how beautiful that is. That is so pretty. We'll go in with the color Lust, which is like this like red shade, which is just as beautiful. That's so pretty. And then we'll go in with Infatuation. That's gorgeous. So Infatuation is kind of like a brown, it's like a brown shimmery, but that's super pretty. And then this next one is Adore, which is also super shimmery and super pretty. That is so pretty. Guys, I'm loving all of these colors. So this next one is Blushing, and that is just as gorgeous. Look at that. That is so, I'm loving all of these shades. This is literally gorgeous. So that palette obviously has some absolutely beautiful colors in it. I cannot wait to get that on my face. So next is also by Bad Habit. Are these all by Bad Habit? It looks like they are, which, okay, that's cool. So this is their Athena palette. This is also an 18 color eyeshadow palette, and this is what their box looks like. Okay, so this is what their casing looks like. It's very geometric, I like that. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So these look gorgeous. I can already tell that I'm going to be obsessed with these three colors right here. Those are so pretty, which is epic. I hate that word. I don't know if you guys know that about me, but I call it the E word. I've hated that word since I was in like middle school. It has just been the worst word ever for me. I'm not able, I just can't hear it, I can't say it, it's just the worst, I hate it. But I feel like that is going to be the one that I'm really gonna love. So yeah, that's super pretty. So let's see what that looks like on. So that's really pretty. So that's the E word. That's so pretty. I'm loving these. Yeah, so let's take a look at this palette one more time. So that is what this palette looks like. This, the E word, epic, oh, which is the one that I just swatched. This Darling one looks amazing too. I just love all of these colors so much. I feel like they're gonna look so beautiful. I cannot wait to make all these looks for you guys. It's gonna be amazing. Next, we're gonna go in with our next palette, also by Bad Habit. Looks like this is, how would you guys say this word? Aura? A-U-R-A, so that's what we're going to call it because I'm going to botch that name. This is also another 14 color eyeshadow palette. So the casing matches the boxing, which, like I said, I like. So let's get that little guy out of there and let's see. Ooh, alright. So this actually looks a lot like the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I don't know what you guys think, but I do think that it looks a lot like that. But they are absolutely beautiful. I'm loving this yellow shade here. It's called Energy. That's just from one swipe, so it's pretty pigmented. It looks super pretty, so let's see what that looks like. Okay, so that was one swipe. So that looks really pretty. I really think that I'm going to love this color here, Ecstasy, and this color here, which is Mystique. So these are going to be beautiful, guys. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to like make some beautiful looks with all of these and show you guys. And the cool thing about like this makeup company, Hush, is that it's looking like some of these palettes actually like are mimicking. I wouldn't call them a knockoff, but I think that they're kind of mimicking like other like big name brands. This is Anastasia and Huda Beauty. But I would say, so all of these are actually they're all $12 and $10. So really, you know, so they're all around that price. So like I said, they did send these to me. However, this is something that you guys can definitely get your hands on for a pretty inexpensive amount. So if I would have actually paid for all these, it would have been about 68 bucks, so $70, and you get like a good amount of palettes. I don't think that that's all that bad. So this is the next one by Bad Habit. This is Royals. This is their 14 color eyeshadow palette. This is absolutely beautiful. I wonder what these shades look like. And so this actually looks a lot like the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. It actually looks a lot like it. I'm actually going to pull that out and show you guys. So here is my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and this is what that looks like versus the Royals. So it's pretty similar. So if you guys are really wanting to do, you know, something that's not as expensive, I think that the Modern Renaissance palette retails for about $49. If it's still, I think it's still being able to, you can still buy it, but so yeah, so this one, I mean, it looks beautiful. It's got, you know, beautiful colors. Let's see how pigmented they are. Let's do this little guy here. They're very pigmented. It's that very last shade. They're really pigmented. It's, you know, they're beautiful. I have nothing bad to say about these palettes. They're absolutely gorgeous. This is our last palette, so I feel like that went by really quick. Okay, this is called Retro Love by Bad Habit. This is gorgeous. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. So let's see what this looks like. All right, another beautiful palette. So this is actually really beautiful. This does, like I said, it mimics some other ones. So I think that this one kind of mimics the Anastasia Subculture palette. It actually looks a lot like it, but you can never have enough of like the same kind of color tones. I swear you can. I'm always using like the darker, cooler tones. You know, I'm not really into the warmer tones, even though I have been for the past like couple videos. But yeah, so these are absolutely beautiful. This is what that looks like. And I'm absolutely loving the shade here. It's called Fab. So I'm going to swatch that really quick. Oh, look at that. So that is this one here. It's this one here. So that is actually beautiful. They're really pigmented. They're great. I have nothing bad to say about these palettes. They're beautiful. I cannot wait to dive into them and use everything. Guys, that was the end of the unboxing haul. All of these products from Hush, and like I said, while they did reach out to me, which is amazing, thank you guys, you know, I think that it's really great because all of these products are pretty much in a budget for, I feel like, just about anyone who has like an extra like 10-20 bucks and wants to buy a couple of nice palettes. You know, those are definitely good ones if you're kind of a beginner and you're just kind of dipping into makeup. You don't really want to spend, you know, 50 bucks on a makeup palette. Totally understand, you know, that's totally within a budget. You know, so I really hope that you guys liked this unboxing. I feel like I have not ever done an unboxing video. I feel like I just kind of do that, kind of keep it to myself. If you guys did like this, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe in the subscription box below. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see next. So until next time.